You'd think that buying either of these two shower curtain rings is just a personal preference, and it is. It's just a personal preference between whether you prefer a clean or a dirty bathroom. And no, I'm not joking. Something as simple as choosing the wrong shower curtain ring can be the difference between a cleaner bath or a perpetually dirty bath that's gross and grows more mildew faster and needs more scrubbing and work more often because it's become a living petri dish. And I get it. You're probably thinking there's no way this ring or that ring has any bearing on the amount of mold that takes root in a bathroom. But I'm 100% serious. The ring makes a difference. Let me explain. This shower curtain ring is the traditional ring that we've had forever. It has a tried and true design with a small ball bearing style set of rollers on the top with a simple clip that you open to first hang onto the curtain rod, and then you hang the curtain, and then you hang the curtain liner, and then you close the clip. They're reliable and they're durable and they last pretty much forever. And the best part is they're pretty cheap. And then you have these dual-sided hooks. They're not a lot different. You have the same rollers on top, but instead of a clip, we have this dual-sided hook. You hang the curtain on one side and then the shower liner on the other side. These are also reliable and durable, and they cost about the same. So how does any of this relate to a difference in cleanliness? How could either of these possibly affect how much mold or mildew grows in a bathroom? The answer lies in the curtains and the curtain liners themselves. The fact is that curtains, and especially the liners, get dirty, and over time they grow a layer. They grow a layer of mildew and then it becomes embedded, and it needs to be addressed. Regardless of whether you address that by washing or by replacing, it doesn't matter, but these curtains and liners need to be addressed just like the tub itself. If you're seeing and cleaning mildew and mold in the tub, the original source of that almost always comes from the liner. Cleaning the tub but not addressing the source of the mold and the mildew is an exercise in futility. It's a waste of time. The mildew will come roaring right back. And ask yourself, the last time you or maybe even your help cleaned your bath, was the curtain liner replaced or washed? Or is it still hanging there right now, efficiently spreading its disgusting mold and mildew? So the answer is to address the source. And addressing the source means you're going to be removing the liner and maybe the curtain to either wash or replace. Liners are so inexpensive online that replacing makes sense for most of us, but washing works too. But if removing or replacing the liner takes too long and it's too difficult, then you might skip it or not do it often enough. If it's easy and it's fast, it's a lot more likely to get done. And only one of these two shower curtain rings makes that process easier and faster. The closed ring with the clip is, without any question, the slower and more difficult design when it comes to removing and replacing the curtain and the curtain liner. The two-sided hook is the clear winner here. It has the better and faster design. I find that it takes about 80% less time to remove and replace a curtain liner because there's no unclipping each ring and then reclipping each ring. There's no navigating the narrow gap to unhook and rehook the curtains and the liners. You just quickly go from hook to hook and it goes on easy and fast so you don't skip the most critical step when cleaning your bath. So if you want to clean your bathroom for you and your family and your guests, address the real problem at the source. Simplify your life and your cleaning by getting the right rings or hooks so that the work gets done and it gets done right. I'll put a link to these hooks below, and thanks for watching.